Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. I've followed a link on one of the screens when I was on the internet and it took me to the London Mint. And there they were doing a coin for £2.50, which is the postage and packing value that it cost. This is a half crown. It is from Gibraltar and it's dated 2021. And they were producing this this was the first coin as an introductory offer to a complete set. I actually got the coin and decided against doing the whole set. However, I will do a review on it, and then if you want to buy this set or take part in the sets, go visit London Mint if you haven't done already. The crown itself has got a frosted portrait of Her Majesty the Queen. I can't see a designer for the Queen's head. As I say, it's a half crown. It's one of the special editions that are made by the London Mint. And it's a sign that "Fight through to final victory" is the name of this coin. And basically you have I'm not sure what what it's all supposed to represent. I think it shows soldiers that have been injured or killed, and also something from the home front as well, I think. And it says the People's War, the farewell. So this actually looks as if it's, oh, that's because it's to go that way, duh. It's the design is actually that way, and you've got a person that's upright waving his hat in the air in a gesture of goodbye, along with what a slightly smaller person, I believe is a woman, or certainly has got, looks like a woman from behind, and then a child right at the front there. And this here is obviously a train. The design has caught me out slightly because it's not. It's at a 90-degree angle to the rest of the coin. So that was something that threw me right at the start. Do I like it? I understand the sentiment, and yes, it's a nice coin in the sense that it represents the sentiment at that time. However, I decided against getting this set of these coins because I didn't believe the quality of them warranted the price that they were going to ask for the rest of the coins, judging by this first one. But that's just my personal opinion. I think normally these sets from places like London Mint are around about 20 quid per coin after the introductory offer one. And they normally have one at the end that nobody can afford to buy, which is made out of solid gold or something like that. I've seen that happen before. So I thought it was a gesture, nice giveaway gesture sort of thing, but it turns out that it was to try and get you to buy the set. And to be honest with you, for me at this moment in time, it's not for me. It's a coin of a reasonably good standard. It's a half crown. It's why they have used the half crown in 2021, I don't know. You know, why didn't they just use the £5 or the made it a silver single metal £2 or £1, oversized £1. It doesn't make sense to me, A, that they've used a form of currency that no longer exists, and the half crown was never a coin that was used for commemorative purposes. It was always the crown, So again, I don't understand that. So if they're going to use the old currency, why didn't they use a crown rather than half a crown? You know, commemoratives were never put on half crowns. So that irks me a little bit. I'm not sure what to make of that. It's, as I say, it's an old currency that no longer exists. The coins themselves, after this initial one, I can't imagine you'll get any others for less than 15 to 25 quid per coin. And I think there were 6 in the series, and I didn't feel it was, from what I've seen on this coin, it was worth it. However, you may well do, and you may well enjoy this coin and future coins in this series. I can't see myself doing that. So I've done my review. It's now down to you. Do you think I'm wrong in the way that I've reviewed this coin? Do you think I've been too harsh in my criticism of it? Put it in the comments below. You're entitled to your opinion, and I value it, and I value your opinions. So, what do you think of this coin? Right, the next part of the video, I am doing an appeal. I'm trying to grow my channel and grow my subscriber list. So if you've enjoyed this video, it'll only take you a second to give me the thumbs up. And that will help me immensely in the algorithm that puts my videos in front of viewers who've never seen, potential subscribers who've never seen them before. If you're one of the 45% or so of people who view my videos on a regular basis but don't, who are not actually subscribed, could you seriously think about doing so? I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, war from militaria and collectibles. I hope very much that you will join me, and finally, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins on the web or wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. Thank you all for staying the length of this video, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye now. Ta-ra.